Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to export low file sizes video in DaVinci. To export a video with a smaller file size in DaVinci Resolve, adjust the export setting to use a more efficient codec and lower bitrate. So firstly, you need to finish your editing in your project, and after that go to this deliver icon in the bottom. So from here you need to choose the custom export. Over here in the left hand side, what you need to do is you need to go to this video and select for the export video under this MP4. And under this codec here, you can click over here and you can select this H.265 for the smallest file size at similar quality. If compatible is more important, you can choose H.264 as well. And if you do not need full HD or 4K quality, you need to lower the resolution. For example, go to this resolution here and you can select this 1280 into 1080 HD as well. And after that, you can simply click onto this browse and you can select in which folder that you want to save and select save. And that is it. This is how you can export low file sizes video in DaVinci Resolve. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.